I will advance.
Ano?
Advance ano?
Advance birthday?
Malamang ano na advance?
Yes, advance birthday.
Advance birthday na naman ka po? Ano?
Eat.
Na? Eat?
If ka na if.
Anong eat? Eat ng ano?
Did you
Rice?
eat?
Ha?
Did you eat ka na? Nangangarod. Eat.
Done your dinner?
Nano?
No, wala pa.
No!
No, why? No, because late or still early?
Early ano? Still early?
Still early.
Okay. What do you have plan eat today?
Today?
Tonight?
Ay, Papa ba yun? You eat Papa daw, sabi niya. Angel.
Baliw.
Baliw si Angel talaga. Sinasabi.
Yes, Mama, she tell you wrong.
Oh, yes. Oh. Yung hindi marunong mag-English inaano na yung hindi, tama.
English lang not allowed Tagalog.
Okay. So you want to eat Papa?
Ano?
Yes ka na.
Yes.
No!
No.
Sabi na yes. Ikaw,
She teach. Mama, she teach you wrong.
oh, yeah.
No.
Wrong inaano din. Kahit wrong inaano.
And Papa today have in trabaho?
No.
Oh, no.
No. You have rain. Ano
Go
na?
away.
You.
Rain, go away.
Ano? Your farm is may water.
My farm is water. No, I don't have farm, Mama.
No.
You go to farm or no?
No. No na.
So how's weather now? How's weather in Philippines now?
Ano nga na weather ng Pilipinas?
Ano pa kasi? Weather na.
Nice!
Baliw ka, Angel, baliw ka.
Baliw nga. Ano bang sinasabi? Si Angel.
Mama, she teach you wrong.
Oo. Ano yung wrong?
So, yes, how's weather? How's weather?
Malamig ka na.
Oo.
Oh, malamig mo talaga.
Malamig. Yung December.
Okay.
Yung December malamig.
Okay.
Oo. Yung
Bardan.
na?
Barad.
Barit.